Quick reading for the month of April, Aries. Your cards are the Five of Wands, the Hermit, and the Queen of Pentacles. Medyo nagkagirian tayo ni person dito, no? Nagkaroon ng away, alitan, hindi pag-uusap, pero itong silence, no, na nangyari sa inyo, ginamit ni person para magkaroon siya ng enlightenment. I feel like ngayon medyo magre-reach out na siya, magiging generous siya, no, sa kanyang time, energy, and effort. With the Queen of Pentacles, dito natin masasabi na si person may care pa rin dahil si person medyo, apart from reaching out, nag-e-effort, no? Mararamdaman natin dito with the Queen of Pentacles na somewhat yung effort ni person may kahulugan, genuine, at nakikita natin na pasasahihin tayo, no? Yes, sumama yung loob natin kay person pero meron siyang bawi ngayon, no? This is your quick reading for the month of April, Aries.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.